everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a loan on Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular Revolut app. Now from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of add money. Then go ahead, scroll down to the bottom, go to discover credit and tap on this option of personal loan. Then go ahead, tap on this option of apply for a loan. Then go ahead, you will check out the loan calculator as right. Go ahead, add in the amount you would like to take the loan for and add in the duration, and then you will be able to check out the details at the bottom, including the interest rate and etc. Go ahead, tap on continue to application if you agree to it. Then for the confirmations matter, you have to provide some personal information, including your marital status and etc. Go ahead, do it. Provide all of the information and verify yourself, and you will be able to apply for it, and you will be notified as well after it's done. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.